Somebody was not happy that I come off, so they're right next to me. So they're not right next to me, and he's staring at me. Tell me, man, is we lucky? More raw content, but no raw audio, because I'm too lazy to get off the bike and do it, because I just want to ride, man. So another time. We got to take it easy, because again, we're on that road for a while, so we don't know what's happening down on this road. Can't see! That's the reindeer, that's what it reminded me of, a reindeer. Of a reindeer. I know this road is empty, but I just wanna cruise and I wanna talk to you guys. There was a big booty girl here a while back. No, that's not her. Blondie, she was a blondie. The big booty girl was a blondie. Falcon. Is that how you say falcon in Colombian? Or they speak Spanish but they speak it with a Colombian accent or something? Falcon. They don't say falcon, they say falcon, right? Or is that a curse word? I'm thinking it's a curse word. See, I'm telling you guys, this road is usually always empty like this. You only have some times where you got a booty. That was actually a girl up there. She was doing yoga. She was doing yoga. Those are those two homies that we were gonna ride with, but they effed us. And again, I don't know what I was talking about. The short attention span, man. Move out the way, man. Let me F. But I'm just so happy to have her back. It's been so long, and it just doesn't feel. It didn't feel right to me. I like lost so much motivation to like do a lot of the bike related stuff, because like I want them all to be with me, and I know they're protected and safe. And like just not having that, not having her with me, just broke my heart. Broke my heart. And I know it's a materialistic thing, but like you gotta be a biker to understand the relationship a biker has with their motorcycle. It's a totally different thing, man. It's a different kind of love, man. It's a different kind of love. I feel like third gear is perfect for this, but I still want to play around in gears. I feel like third gear is the best gear in any bike for like cruising. Like I know I want to cruise, but I don't want some douchebag in front of me either. That's not fun. I'm sorry, homie, but I had to ride away. Yep, Prius, thank you. Block that freaking dog, man. He shouldn't have pulled out when I was riding, but he did. But thank you, Prius, for doing them dirty. See, now I'm fine with these guys. They were here. It was their spot. I'm okay with it. Okay, I'm not so okay with these guys because they were here, but they're dragging booty instead of hauling it. Damn it, there's cars coming too. Yeah, I can't do it. There's cars coming. I waved to him, he waved, he was turned, so I gave him the wave, he waved back. That's how it's done. That's how it... This is how we do it, turn. This is how we do it, ta-da-la-la-la-la-la. I don't know why I said ta-da-la-la-la-la-la, that's not even what happens, but I just said it because I said it because I wanted to say it, and that's what came in my brain, and my heart was like, speak it, give them brain, and I was like, I'm gonna give you guys brain, and I gave it. This is how we do it. He waved, he waved. He was gripping the handlebars, but he did that little freaky thing with his fingers. That freaky thing, man. I love it when you... No, I'm trying to rap it, but I can't remember it. Freak 'em on a regular day, come 6 times, but it's 7 today. Ludicrous in the back of your Chevrolet. What's my name? This is how we do it. He is repairing his bike in the middle of nowhere. La, 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 la. Don't worry, that spot's gonna open up, and then we're gonna ride there. That sweet spot. can't see, can't see, can't see. Wave! Second dude! It's not that I don't want to speed through curves, it's I can't see what car is coming or if there are cars within the curve. Wave, 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 got him! R6, wave, wave, CBR, 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 wave, wave, wave. We got all the waves. But honey. This is how we do it. Got it! Got it, son! Got it! Oh, wave! The first person was a douchebag, right? The first person did not wave, he was a douchebag. Second one, there was two people, a homie and a shorty. Shorty and the homie waved, cancel out the homie. The other homie makes love for the other homie who didn't wave to me. Shorty's all alone, she comes with me. Big dog, big dog. And yeah, I call myself a big dog. Cause this is how we do it, is the name of this video. Ba la 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 la. This is how we do it. Ba la 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 la. This is how we do it. Whoa. Yeah, these rear sets are not for me. I no longer belong to these rear sets. I do not belong to these rear sets anymore. Sorry, homie, I was gonna wave, but my rear sets effed up on me, so I did not wave. It's not because I don't love you, it maybe is because you're kind of weird, but it's just rear sets. Go speed, man! I moved out the way to go! Oh, this is how we do it. Wave, wave! Thank you! No, man, I'm different now. I expect a wave. Straight hunting, man, I expect a wave. And you douche. Douche. Sorry for that, but douche. This is how we do it. Tonight! Let's get this party started tonight. Up in the bud, up in the butt, up in the butt, up in the bud. This is how we do it. La 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 la. This is how we do it. Somebody was not happy that I cut him off, so they're right next to me. So they're not right next to me, and he's staring at me. He's staring at me. I'm not racing you, dog. I didn't race you. Why'd you give me the thumbs up? We didn't race, but I like you. You bold. Got a sweet spot. This is how we do it. La, 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 la. This is how we do it. La, 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 la. This is how we do it. It's not gonna open for me, is it? You gonna be a hoe, ain't you? Huh? Well, I never popped you in the first place. You just spit? No, he was looking at that trash. He was like, dude, I'm finna cop it. I'ma cop it. He wanted a race. I'm sorry. No, can't. And it's not even like I'm trying to be a hoe about it. Oh, stop going forward. It's not that even trying to be a hoe about it. It's just, I don't want to. If it was a Lambo, then hell yes. Hell yeah. I just don't feel like racing whatever that thing was. A cube, a square, a dare, grizzly bear. I don't know. Man, I gotta fix this damn clutch. Shut up! Kakarot. So right now it engages all the way out here. There's a car coming. You gotta stop here. That dude chose to come right behind me. I was trying to check out the clutch. Man, if you weren't here, I would've went through those cones, homie. I would've went through those cones. Alright, F this. So hard. Okay, so clutch engaging here, even though I pull it in. So maybe I don't pull it in all the way. So if it... See, I can launch. Alright. I just gotta be mindful. No, I like it because it engages so far out. That means the friction zone has a very small little gap. So I can just let it go really quick. I only have to go like that and then like that. Like with Broly, the friction zone is all the way in here. So I gotta pull the clutch all the way in. So I'm riding it like I'm riding Broly. So that's the thing I'm trying to explain to you guys. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but like, if you know how to ride, you can ride any bike. But every bike has its own little quirks and stuff you gotta get used to. So let me explain to you guys what I'm trying to talk about. On Broly, you bring the clutch all the way in because you're oh my god. Son of a gun. I thought I was gonna open for them first, but it didn't. I'll explain it, don't worry. We're gonna get a red them. We're gonna get a red light district soon. So where the R6's clutch is, Broly's clutch, see, it's not engaging. You see that the bike's not moving forward. The friction zone isn't here. The friction zone is there. You see that? Friction zone is like all out there. So the friction zone is like in this area right here, very close. I can bring it in, and that's the friction zone. With Broly, the friction zone is, you saw how I brought the clutch all the way in. If I even let it go just a bit, I'm already in the friction zone. And I can't adjust it as much as I can adjust aftermarket levers. They have more. That's the reason people get aftermarket levers, because there's more adjustability. Now, if you're somebody who wants to do a quick launch, you would want your friction zone to be further out as much as possible. In my opinion, that's how I like it. Everyone's different on how they want to launch. What up, homie? But everyone has different opinions on that. I like my friction zone to be all the way out. I can launch like, I can launch so crisp. With Broly, I haven't adjusted anything. You don't have aftermarket levers, so I left it OEM, and the OEM way is the friction zone is gonna engage. Quick friction zone basically means now your bike is gonna be moving and getting power. I don't know the correct terminology of it, but that's basically what it is, in my opinion. I don't know. I'm not a mechanic or anything, but I'm a genius. That counts for something. Now we gotta get gas again. See, I gotta bring more than $5 for gas. Probably like 7 or 8, maybe 10. Let's try 10 next time. So yeah, that's how this works. With Nimbus, same thing. It's like the R6 where the friction zone is all the way out. So then I have to just let it go. I don't have to pull the clutch in all the way at every light. I gotta pull it in just a little bit and I'm stopped. So the cool thing about that with the R6 is I just have to get used to it again, because I've been riding Broly for like 1,000+ miles. So I'm kind of used to how Broly does it, and that's what I'm trying to say, is that each bike is different, has its own little quirks, and once we get Broly to have custom levers, then it shouldn't be that problem. There's still, like, I can't map it, I can't dial into the millimeter each friction zone to be the same. It's just in the ballpark, it's gonna be similar, but I can't make it so it's gonna be perfectly the same. Like, that is impossible. Dude, you run a red light, homie. You run a red light. You see how I give it gas and it's like right here? Looks like popo. But you see how I give it gas and the bike isn't moving yet? That's the thing. I'm giving it gas too early, or I'm giving it gas but I'm not letting go of the I'm letting go of the clutch a little too late. So those two things, I have to do one better than the other. Either I let the clutch go out quicker, so the way I'm hitting giving it throttle is gonna match that. Or I let go of my clutch the way that I am and give it gas a little bit later when it's about to hit the friction zone, and then you'll have a great launch. So I just wanted to explain that to you guys, so you guys kind of understand what I talk about when I mention all these things. Alright, F you, dog! But I like mentioning and talking to you guys through all this stuff, because, again, man, we a family. Unless you ugly, well, I guess you're still part of the family. And if you hot, then you're not part of the family, because I want to smash, and I want to be in a relationship of love, but no commitment, because commitment scares the hell out of me. My girl's gonna be watching this and gonna be like, there he goes again. But I'm like, girl, I can't help it. It's just who I is. This entire ride, I've been downshifting really bad. On God. There you go, see? Give it gas when it needs it, not when I want it.
When your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.